I hope this is going to be another classic one. Oh, Magillo. I was saying Magillo. Magillo. Look at this. I hope it's going to be interesting. Definitely a family place. I hope these are not on the menu. On the menu. On the menu. Get a room. Guinness Book of Records, the world's largest bowl of pasta, longest pizza, largest cabbage dish, largest goat soup. Wow, lots of records. Okay. Nina, did you choose one yet? Which one are you gonna have? I just watched Jurassic Park last night. Hello. I know. Can you sing? Can you sing? La 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 la. La 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 la. So can you do this one? La 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 la. Wah 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 wah. Buy two, get one free. Oh, you think I got something? I don't have something. I don't have anything for. You like it? You want to try it? Hello, you two. What's going on here? Anything I need to know about? You give me cleaning. You guys are fun. What about with you? What's up with you? Why are you so quiet? Why are you? Hello again. Dum, 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 dum. Wow. Whoa. Dude, you scared me. You happy? Did you get something to eat? We had a burger. We had a burger. Burger. We had a burger. 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 I know you like burgers. We've established this already. Oh, look. Why are you kissing his... oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Not in front... Not in front... Not in front of the children, okay? Hey, Mr. Crocodile. Burger. You want a burger?
It's a real one.
No, he's not real.
He's breathing.
He's not breathing. He's not breathing. As plastic as the day is long.
You see he's breathing.
Tak, milowy. Miły.
Okay, I believe he's alive.
He's coming to me.
Alright, you alright? It's got robots! It's got robots! What the hell? Did you ever I never saw robots. Not sure what robot is doing. What a place. Oh, we didn't know about this place. I would say that this place is unique. What? Oh shit. Hello. I love it. Robots to table.
Thank you.
Thank you. What a place for the kids. What is that?
Super!
Ah,
Pięknie!
wow. Hello.
Jak przyjdzie kelner, to zapytasz.
So,
Może przyjdzie nasz kolega tam.
everything's a Polish.
I knew where we
Jest,
going.
jest, every...
Wow, you match the place.
Magillo!
Magillo Nina.
Skąd ty to wiedziałaś?
Nie lampki. Chcesz lampkę czy butelkę weźmiemy?
Butelki to za dużo.
Dużo. To jak coś, to 2 lampki wypijemy. Dobra. No na razie poprosimy po jednej, czyli 2 lampki. A co będziesz jadła?
No.
Zupa z deserem by mi się nie zmieściła.
Loads of pizza.
A tu masz zupę, możesz sobie wybrać.
Pizza,
Rosja,
pizza.
Liderowa, żurek staropolski albo gulaszowy. A, że
Look.
jak się przyszły urodził.
Wow.
Gdyż mam z nimi na spacer, wszystkie sąsiadki wreszcie ma pani swoje dziecko.
To daddy. Come to daddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
Go take it.
Veal. I think it's that veal.
Ja, dla mnie. Dzięki. O.
Burger.
Romek,
Oh. Oh, burger. Different burger.
Romek, musisz wziąć ode mnie.
Kapusta.
To jest dla mnie.
Oh.
Dzięki.
Yes. Połowy. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's bacon burger, fries. Burger and fries. Chicken and fries. Chilincina. And what's that? So, cabbage.
Kapusta, tak. O, to cheddar. Dziękuję.
Oh, buddy. Hello. You come for some food? Yay. Thank you for coming to say hello. Hello. Hello, guys. You hiding there. Are you playing poker? Magillo.